In today's video, we're going to be reviewing EVBase's underseat storage for the Cybertruck, and we're going to be also comparing it to Tesla's underseat storage as well. Let's get started. Okay, so EVBase, after you unbox the product itself, you get the underseat storage bin. You get 2 storage containers. You get the strap that straps it down under the seat, and you get a neat little mat that goes in the bottom of the box. On the left side here, we have Tesla's underseat storage bin. One thing you'll notice is it does have the Cybertruck logo on there, if you want to call that a logo, the triangle. Built a very tough plastic, and this is basically it. You get this unit, and you get these straps. And they're basically just Velcro straps, and this holds it to the actual underneath of the seat. With EVBase, you get the same product. It's a very, very rigid plastic as well. Basically, they look almost identical to each other. There's a couple different changes that I like about the EVBase version, and we'll go over that in a second. Okay, back over here with the EVBase's version of the underseat storage bin for Cyber. One of the cool features they have that the Tesla one does not have is these neat little storage bins. They're very, very strong. They got little feet in the bottom here. They make them rubbery so they don't slide or whatever, but they kind of slot right into each side of the bin. So you could take them out if you have like a long umbrella that maybe fit through there, or you can add them back in if you have some small items that you want to fit under the seat, which is pretty cool. Other cool things that EVBase provides you is this neat little mat that goes in the bottom of the bin. So it's kind of like a non-stick material. Gives you a little bit of a grip, a little bit too. But it's kind of a neat little aesthetic. And Tesla does not provide you with that whatsoever. And here's what the underseat storage bin looks like. The 2 little tiny bins in here and the mats. It actually looks really nice. All right, so here's what it looks like after it's fully installed. It's all underneath there. Let's go ahead and pop this up so you guys can see what it looks like inside. There's that side. There's your little storage bin there. Let's go ahead and go to the other side. So here's what it looks like after it's been installed all the way across. It's really easy to take these little bins out here. You just grab this handle, pull up. I have extra storage. That's my Starlink cable. I gotta get that cleaned up. It's easy to put them back in as well. Just drop them in. And then there's actually like these little nipples right here. They actually go into those holes right there. So when we drop them in, one thing I do notice as well, and both of them have the same problem, is when this box is out, it's pretty flexible, but once you put that in, it's pretty rigid. I don't know if you want it to be rigid, maybe you do, but once the seats close, it's not really a big deal. But when you pull this out, it's like in the Tesla version, it's pretty flexible, which it's plastic. So that's one thing I would definitely recommend EVBase's. It's cheaper, and it's also built just as good as the Tesla version, but you get these 2 extra bins just to store small little pieces and things inside of here. So I definitely do recommend EVBase's underseat storage for Cybertruck. And the price for this is $239 versus Tesla's is $250. And then you can use our code, the Tesla channel, to get 20% off of this. So you're looking at $239, take off 20% more of that using our code, the Tesla channel, at evbase.com. And the build quality is very good. Definitely the same build quality as Tesla's version, but you get those 2 storage bins and you get the mats. And for 20% off of $239, it's definitely cheaper than $250. So like and subscribe, and go to EVBase.com and get yours now. Teslas, EVBases. EVBase has extra storage bins, the mats, $250, $239, 20% off using code the Tesla channel. Make sure you like and subscribe and buy this on EVBase.com using code the Tesla channel, 20% off.